Hey gadget lovers. Many people these days struggle with dull manual scissors and box cutters without even realizing how much time and hand strength they are wasting every single day. Upgrading to a pair of electric scissors will upgrade your life in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best electric scissors go beyond simple cutting and offer precision, power, and comfort that manual tools just can't match. We have looked at the top contenders on the market and have the best options, ready and waiting for you. But first of all, make sure to use our links in the description because they're going to take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about today. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Fantic C8 Nano Easy Swap Cordless Electric Scissors. If you appreciate modern design and smart features, this is the cutter for you. It is equipped with a high magnet motor that boosts the cutting power by 15%, reaching speeds of up to 230 RPM, making it a powerful performer for its size. What really sets the Fantic apart is the attention to detail, starting with the 35mm LED display on the device itself. This screen lets you see your real-time battery life and speed settings at a glance, giving you full control over your project without any guesswork. It also features built-in LED lights around the blade to ensure you have clear visibility under any lighting condition, which significantly improves cutting accuracy. The Easy Swap technology is also a standout, using an innovative spindle lock mechanism that allows for secure blade changes in just one step using the included metal tool. It comes with 2 blades right out of the box, and with a fast 1-hour charge, you get up to 40 minutes of continuous runtime to handle both urgent tasks and larger projects with ease. For the designer, tailor, or tech-savvy DIY enthusiast who wants performance and a clear view of their tool's status, the Fantic C8 Nano is a stylish and intelligent choice. Moving up to number 4, we have the Zyte 4V Cordless Electric Scissors. This model proves that you don't have to break the bank to get a reliable and well-thought-out cutting tool. The Zyte stands out immediately with its special handle design, which is crafted not just for aesthetics but for protection, keeping your hands safe from scuffs or scratches when cutting harder materials. It is incredibly user-friendly, featuring a safety lock system that you don't have to hold down continuously. You simply squeeze the handle while pressing the safety button to start and then release the button to keep working. When you let go of the handle, the scissors stop automatically, minimizing the risk of accidental injury. This makes them a practical, durable, and reliable choice for anyone concerned with safety. The blades themselves are self-sharpening, which means you never need to take them out and sharpen them manually, perfectly extending the life of both the blades and the machine. It cuts through materials up to a 1/4 inch thick at speeds up to 260 RPM. Lightweight, at just over 1 pound and easy to recharge via USB, it also comes with a handy storage bag for easy carrying. If you are looking for a safe, low-maintenance entry into the world of electric cutting, the Zyte is a fantastic option. Coming in at number 3 is the highly popular Work Zip Snip Cordless Electric Scissors. When a product is an overall pick on Amazon with thousands of reviews, you know it has to be good, and the Work Zip Snip lives up to the hype. The core question they answer is simple: why struggle with manual scissors? The Zip Snip can cut through tougher materials with far less hand strain, making it a game changer for anyone with lots of cutting to do. It is incredibly portable, coming with a customized carrying case that keeps your scissors and all accessories safe and organized, while also protecting you from the sharp blade when not in use. Versatility is key here, as it handles everything from paper and plastic to fabric, leather, and cardboard, all thanks to a rotating blade that cuts through materials up to a 1/4 inch thick. It features an automatic blade sharpening system, ensuring you always get a clean, smooth cut without any maintenance on your part. Weighing only 1 pound, it is easy to maneuver and comfortable to use for long periods without fatigue. Perhaps most impressively, the 4-volt max lithium battery can last for months on a single charge, and an integrated battery indicator keeps you informed of the real-time status. For the user who wants a proven, reliable tool with excellent portability and battery life, the Work Zip Snip is a clear winner. Now for our runner-up at number 2, we have the Nohitu Cordless Electric Scissors, which has earned its spot as a number 1 bestseller in power shaper cutters. The Nohitu brings some serious power to the table, starting with an upgraded 3000 mAh battery that delivers a full hour of continuous cutting on a single charge. It also features a high-efficiency brushless motor and supports convenient Type-C charging. With a powerful 320 RPM motor, it is one of the fastest on our list, effortlessly slicing through corrugated cardboard, fabric, plastic, and more. The blade is made from high-carbon steel with a tungsten steel self-sharpening system that maintains its durable sharpness. Safety is also a priority with an instant start-stop trigger and a sturdy blade guard to minimize accidents. It features a 3-color battery indicator on the device so you can check your power status in real time, and a front LED light to illuminate your work area. It even has a neat feature where you can tilt it left for angled cutting, allowing for smoother, more precisely controlled cuts with less tugging. It comes as a professional DIY kit with 2 blades, a storage box, a storage bag, a metal plate for blade changes, and more. For the power user who needs maximum runtime and speed, the Nohitu is an exceptional value that outperforms many competitors. Finally, at number 1, the best electric scissors on our list today is the LKCTB Electric Scissors. This model takes the top spot because it combines industrial-grade durability with intelligent design for a truly premium cutting experience. The standout feature is the industrial-grade tungsten steel blade, which features a stainless steel core with a tungsten steel coating, reaching an impressive 93 on the Rockwell hardness scale. This blade is engineered to last for over 100,000 cuts without needing sharpening, making it built for heavy-duty performance and long-term durability. It is powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor that is ultra-quiet, operating at or below 65 decibels, while delivering a powerful shear force of up to 50 newtons. The massive 3,500 mAh lithium battery supports up to 80 minutes of continuous runtime, The longest on our list so you can work without interruption. It features an intelligent dual display with a built-in light on the blade for working in dark conditions and a handle display showing real-time power. The ergonomic non-slip grip features an asymmetric handle curve that fits the curvature of your palm. And the TPE soft rubber wrap reduces fatigue significantly, allowing you to work comfortably for extended periods. It truly offers full scenario material adaptation, precisely cutting cloth and leather with minimal error while powerfully handling carpets and felt. For the professional, the serious DIYer, or anyone who wants the absolute best in terms of durability, runtime, and cutting power, the LKCTB is the undisputed champion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the links below for the best deals on all the products we covered today.